back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So we have to continue with the next tutorials. So as I told you in my previous tutorials, we have to create the power socket in each room. So how to create the power socket? So before I start this video, I would request you guys please to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. And also please like, share and comment to my video, and please keep watching my full video so you will get the notification and you will get the full concept. Okay, so let us start now. So to place the power socket, you need to go to the system and then you have to click on electrical, then go to the device and select this electrical fixtures. Okay, click on electrical fixtures, then you in the properties panel you will found here M duplex receptacle. Okay, so simply click on edit. I am going to edit this one, so I am going to create the 16 ampere receptacle. Okay, 16 amps socket. Okay, 16 amps. Simply click on OK. Then you have to simply click OK. Okay, then you have to place here, this is a non-hostess family, so you have to place on the vertical face only. So in the each room I am going to place two socket. So one is here and one is here. So this is your socket, so you need to place here on the power plan only. So one is here and another is here. Similarly for this room to place two. So one is here and one is here. One is here. I'm going to place one here and one here. So this is your 16 ampere socket. So one here, and this room one here. And I'm going to place the socket in the corridor also. So I'm going to place one here and also one more here. Okay, so there you go. And for outside also sometime we require the socket, so I'm going to place one here. Okay, and one here. There you go. Simply click on modify just to exit the command. Okay, now we have to create the circuit. Okay, so how to create the circuit for the power? What you will do, simply select this socket, and now we have to see in this modify tab, this power is activated. So simply click on power and then you have to edit circuit. So before this one you have to place the power dB. Okay, so simply undo. Okay, because we have to connect this power socket to the power dB. Okay, so what you will do, simply go to this system and select this electrical equipment, and then same thing, same this one 25 amperes. And now I am going to place one here, power dB, and then SM dB, and then main dB. All the dB I am going to place here. So what we'll do, just simply rename this. Simply select this, go to this properties panel and type here PDB, power dB. Okay, now this select other panel and you have to write here SMDB, sub main distribution board. Okay, and then next one and next and last one is main dB. Okay, MDB, main dB. So this is your main dB. Okay, now we have to tag this all dB. This is the electrical room, so we placed here this on the wall. So go to this annotate tab and select the tag by category, and you have to select the free end. Okay, so now what I am going to do here, I am simply clicking on this. Okay, and simply kept it here. Next one, this is Okay, this is your power dB. Click here and then click here. And this is your lighting dB, so I'm going to delete this one and again, and I want to make it up. Okay, so here is not showing because it's not attached, so delete this. Again, tag by category, then select this SMDB and simply place it here. Okay, so this is your power dB. Okay, so we have to create the power circuit. So what you will do, simply select this one socket, and this power command is activated. So now simply select on edit circuit, then you have to select this panel here from the list. So I'm going to select the power dB. Okay, and then add to the system. So I'm going to select how many socket I want to add in one circuit. So I'm going to select these two, then finish editing circuit. Okay, now you have to take your cursor and simply press the tab button. Then here you will find in modify panel this wiring is activated. So I'm going to select the arc wiring. Okay, similarly we have to do in each room. So select this again, click on power, then edit circuit, then power dB is already selected, then add to the system and then finish. Select an arc. Okay, similarly we have to do for all the rooms. Edit circuit, then power is selected, then this one, finish, then you have to select arc wire. Similarly for this room, select this, click on power, then edit circuit, then add circuit, then I'm going to select this socket, also this one, these three I'm going to connect in one circuit. Okay, so simply press tab key and then select on electrical wiring diagram. Similarly for this room, I'm going to select this socket and then click on power, then click on edit circuit, then add circuit, then I'm going to add this three socket and finish editing system. Press tab key and then select on arc wiring. Okay, similarly for this room, so select this socket, click on power, then edit circuit, then add circuit, then select these two socket and finish, and then okay, similarly for this room, select this one, click on power, then edit circuit and then add to the circuit, finish. There you go. Okay, for this corridor also I am going to select these two socket. Okay, and click on power, then edit circuit, add circuit. So I am going to select these two socket and then finish, then create the wiring. There you go. So you can see here, this is all your socket is placed, and also the wiring for the socket is created. So, and we have already connected this all socket to this power dB. So next tutorial guys, we have to place the electrical equipments, and we have to create a cable tray. So please keep watching my videos, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye. In this 3D view, you can see here these 4 hours dB. is placed on the electrical room, and these are the socket and switch, and this is your lighting. Okay, so you can easily found here in this 3D view. So thank you for watching my video. Please keep watching my video, and please share, like and comment. So thank you for watching my video once again. Thank you. Bye bye.